Hi, my name is Matt Connell. I'm the Program Director for the Business Administration program at Goodwin College. I'm also a faculty member within the business program at Goodwin College.
My name is Michael Rotondo. I'm the Curriculum Director for the Accounting program, which is part of the business program. I'm also an Associate Professor of Business and Accounting.
My name is Terrence Simon. I'm an Assistant Professor of Business Administration at Goodwin College.
Some of the courses I teach at Goodwin are Introduction to Marketing, Small Business and Entrepreneurship, Research and Theory, the capstone, Business 101, which is Introduction to Management.
As Curriculum Director, I'm in charge of their development and maintenance, but I also teach them Principles of Accounting 1 and 2, Managerial Accounting, Intermediate Accounting, and also our accounting software course, which includes QuickBooks and Sage Accounting. We also have a Principles of Taxation course.
I teach Principles of Finance, Principles of Taxation, Principles of Economics, and Introduction to Management and Introduction to Nonprofit Management.
And we try to mix the theory with application. So students will learn things that they're actually going to do at work.
It has been a phenomenal experience. We have a variety of students here at Goodwin College, and it poses both a challenge and the opportunity for you to explore new ideas to teach them concepts in business and management.
In addition to the theory that we teach, we also provide application, and we try to work in experiential learning as well.
Meaning that students will have the opportunity to work on real life situations in practical environments, applying the knowledge they learn and theoretical knowledge that they learn within the classroom.
So students are exposed to work they would actually be doing in a business.
We focus more on helping our business students to understand not only the theory, but the practice and how you incorporate that into real world settings.
It's been very rewarding seeing many of our students who graduate go on to other schools or stay here at Goodwin or go right into the workforce and be successful there.